So here's how we can allow camera access on a Snapchat on the iPhone. So let me show it to you step by step. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step would be to make sure you have the Snapchat app downloaded from the App Store. You might even check out the App Store for any software update for the app, so you can always just update if there is a new version that has come out. But anyways, you can inside the Snapchat app, and since we want to access the camera, we have to make sure that the Snapchat gets in here and that you actually get to the page where the camera is needed, right? So you go to the main page, and if you use it for the first time, it will most definitely ask you if you want to allow it or not. So you're gonna get like a pop-up. You will decide that you want to allow camera access or not allow it. That's fine. But if you clicked on option which you want to change now, or if you're not happy with that anymore, you can go to the main settings app of the iPhone, locate the privacy and security section indicated by the blue icon with a hand on it, and they are going to be all of the things which individual apps can access. One of them is naturally going to be the camera, so you can click on this and all of the apps are going to be listed in here. Snapchat should most definitely be part of the list, and the whole point is that the toggle next to Snapchat is enabled, meaning that the app has access to your camera. So that's pretty simple. And every time you're using the app, like the camera is being accessed, you get like the green dot at the top indicating that the camera is being used. And also for your privacy and security reasons, every time you go to the control center, you'll be able to see the recently used or accessed camera by individual apps. You'll be able to see the Snapchat even right here. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to set it up on your device the way that you wanted. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.